We are about to tour this insane, custom-built, $120,000 ultra-luxury Dubai estate. Seriously, wait until you see the inside.
Look at this massive glass and fluted travertine facade. Every angle is designed to absolutely mesmerize you.
Step inside the grand foyer. This fluted travertine and brushed bronze detailing instantly screams multi-million-dollar luxury. This drawing room is pure perfection. Massive glass walls let in that golden Dubai light all day long. Imagine hosting billionaire dinners right here. A huge travertine table under a custom bronze chandelier is peak elegance. The scale of this living lounge is absolutely massive. Every single detail is designed for ultimate billionaire comfort. Check out this incredible master kitchen. High-gloss obsidian countertops and bronze fixtures make this a total chef's dream. This executive home office means serious business. That high-gloss black desk is the ultimate power statement right here. This master ensuite bathroom is a private spa. A solid travertine tub and massive glass shower create perfection. Look at this stunning sculptural floating staircase. The brushed bronze and glass detailing makes it a literal masterpiece. Even the secondary master bedroom is absolutely gigantic. It features its own private glass walls overlooking the skyline. This VIP guest suite is insane. It features brushed bronze walls and huge glass panels for an unbelievable experience. Your friends will never want to leave this guest bedroom. Check out the obsidian accents and flawless travertine flooring. The family bedroom suite is absolutely massive and super luxurious, complete with warm greige furniture and stunning skyline views. This master closet looks like a high-end luxury boutique. The high-gloss black metal cabinets and glass displays are crazy. Step into this incredible romance room. The metallic bronze ceiling and heavy glass panels make it completely breathtaking and cozy. Even the guest bathroom feels like a 5-star spa resort. Look at that massive fluted travertine sink and bronze shower. Another breathtaking guest bathroom. The warm, golden lighting bouncing off the obsidian tiles and glass doors is just totally mind-blowing. This ultra-luxury powder room is a masterpiece. A floating high-gloss black metal vanity against fluted travertine is purely majestic. Upstairs, we have a crazy family lounge area. Warm greige seating and huge glass walls make this space absolutely perfect. This private sitting lounge is the ultimate relaxation zone. It is fully packed with metallic bronze decor and expensive furniture. This private home library is an absolute masterpiece. The brushed bronze shelves and massive glass walls look totally unbelievable. Just look at this unbelievable ceiling design. The high-gloss black metal trim and bronze lighting channels scream pure billionaire luxury. Tucked away is this hidden prep zone. High-gloss black cabinets and obsidian counters handle all the massive billionaire party cooking. This massive butler's pantry features huge metallic bronze wine coolers and heavy glass displays for ultimate luxury entertaining. Even the service kitchen extension looks better than a 5-star restaurant. The fluted travertine and bronze detailing is absolutely crazy.
You have never seen a luxury laundry room like this. High-gloss black metal counters and travertine floors make washing legendary.
This sleek mudroom features custom brushed bronze lockers and fluted travertine floors to welcome you in absolute stunning style. Even the staff quarters are incredibly luxurious. It features beautiful warm greige furniture and massive glass windows for total comfort. Welcome to the ultimate immersive cinema room. Featuring obsidian velvet recliners and bronze acoustics, this home theater is absolutely mind-blowing. This entertainment hall is built for insane billionaire parties. The high-gloss black billiards table and heavy glass walls look perfect. This home gym is totally next level, featuring high-gloss black metal equipment and huge glass walls for the ultimate workout. Just look at these massive floor tiles. The polished fluted travertine glowing under warm lighting is pure absolute visual perfection. Step into the most relaxing sauna ever. Obsidian stone and heavy glass doors make this private spa feel completely unreal. Find your peace in this huge yoga room. The warm greige tones and brushed bronze details create total ultimate zen. Even the room doors are pure luxury. Solid brushed bronze and high-gloss black metal make every single entrance feel epic. Walking down this indoor walkway feels magical. Heavy architectural glass and golden lighting turn a simple hallway into a masterpiece. Look closely at this insane cabinet detail. High-gloss black metal with brushed bronze handles shows absolute peak ultra-luxury craftsmanship. This outdoor seating area is mind-blowing. Fluted travertine and heavy glass perfectly frame that stunning, illuminated Dubai Marina skyline view. The kids' entertainment room is absolutely massive, featuring obsidian gaming stations and warm greige lounge seating for ultimate non-stop fun. This artisanal espresso bar is absolutely insane. High-gloss black metal machines and bronze details make mornings totally legendary. Imagine eating breakfast right here. Warm greige seating and huge glass walls looking out over the Dubai Marina. This VIP guest ensuite is pure perfection. A massive fluted travertine sink and heavy glass shower guarantee luxury. This luxury garage holds 6 supercars easily. Polished travertine floors and high-gloss black metal doors scream pure billionaire wealth. Check out this custom heavy bikes display. Obsidian pedestals and brushed bronze lighting make this collection look totally epic. Look at this incredible desert orchard view. Meticulous landscaping framed perfectly by heavy architectural glass and brushed bronze. Even the AC system is custom built. Metallic bronze vents perfectly integrated into the high-gloss black metal ceiling. This enclosed pool lounge is absolutely massive. Obsidian loungers and glowing travertine walls make it the ultimate private oasis. Relax in this incredible indoor lounge seating. Warm greige sofas and floor-to-ceiling glass make this space totally breathtaking. This indoor terrace lounge is next level. Sweeping glass walls and metallic bronze tables create the perfect sunset vibe. This indoor botanical zen garden is the perfect escape. Framed by heavy glass and brushed bronze, it is gorgeous. This indoor relaxation pavilion feels completely magical. Surrounded by heavy glass and brushed bronze columns, it is totally relaxing. Lounge in absolute style on this interior deck. Fluted travertine floors and warm greige loungers make pool time luxurious. Experience this insane indoor spa shower. Massive obsidian stone walls and brushed bronze fixtures turn showering into an event. This indoor dining extension lounge is perfect for hosting. The heavy glass walls provide flawless, seamless, multi-million-dollar views. Every piece of furniture is designer grade. The warm greige fabrics and brushed bronze legs show absolute billionaire-level quality. The interior lighting ambience is truly breathtaking. That rich 3500K golden glow on the fluted travertine is completely mesmerizing. This children's study room is unbelievable. Custom warm greige desks and massive glass windows make homework look absolutely amazing. The view from this upper floor interior balcony is totally insane. You can see the pure billionaire scale. This entire mega mansion is an absolute masterpiece of luxury architecture. Every single room totally blew my mind. Hit that subscribe button right now because you do not want to miss our next insane multi-million-dollar tour.